Hi friends, in this video I am going to discuss on natural resources. So we will get to know complete details about what is all about natural resources. So what is natural resources? A natural resource is nothing but the things available in the nature, from the nature, which are going to be used by us. These are natural resources and these are not made by the human beings. Hence it is called as a natural resources, which is available in the nature. What are the examples of natural resources? If somebody asks you to explain you what is natural resources, so natural resources are available, are made from the nature, such as air, water, wood, oil, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, iron, coal. These are some of the examples of natural resources. What are the two types of natural resources we can broadly classify? Is one is renewable resources and another one is non-renewable resources. These are the two types of natural resources. Now let's understand what is renewable resources and what is non-renewable resources. Renewable resources which comes back again after we use it. Resources which comes back after we use it is called as a renewable resources. Examples such as soil, sunlight, water, wood. These are the some of the examples for renewable resources. What is non-renewable resources? A non-renewable resources that does not come back, or it takes long time to come back. A non-renewable resource that does not come back or it takes long time to come back. Examples: coal, petroleum products. These are some of the examples for non-renewable resources. Why do we need natural resources? When human does not get a clean drinking water, the water here is a natural resources which is renewable resources. You will become ill and later you will become die and you will die. There won't be any wood to be available due to the deforestation. So these are the if natural resources not available, and definitely the human being cannot develop himself, and let's say if oil is not there, the country cannot grow, right? Your vehicles cannot move, right? If your sun energy is not there, nothing works out. Humans also will die, right? And these are some of the things should understand about natural resources. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on like button, and if you'd like to get similar kind of videos in near future, click on subscribe button and bell notification. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now friends. Take care. Bye.